Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways to create a quote in OnePlace. My favorite screen for building quotes is the Find Part screen, and depending on what type of company you are, the Find Part screen might vary, but all Find Part screens are made to enter a customer and then search for parts or enter a part or search by vendor name or and so forth. So when you're using this screen, which there's another video that will explain this screen, when you've selected the parts you want, you can just click Add to Quote. And if you keep looking for different parts, you can keep clicking on Add to Quote, and it will keep building that quote for you, which can then be emailed or printed. So Find Part Screen is a great way to build a quote. Another very great way is just to click on the plus sign and click on Quote. And in this case, you just start directly on the quote instead of the Find Part building the quote for you, and you enter the customer and enter the items, and then you can go ahead and email it or print it. So that's the second way. A third way is when you click on the plus, you can also you'll see the shortcuts here, Control F5. So if you like using keyboard shortcuts, you can just hit Control F5, and that will start a quote for you. And last of all, if you're on a quote, so let's say I say find quote, and I'm already on a quote, and I want to create another quote, then I can just click on the new button, and that will just automatically enter or create another quote with a new tab. The other quote is still there, and it'll start creating a new quote on a new tab. Another similar way with that new button would be if I was on the quote list screen. If I click on quotes and I'm on the list here of quotes, I can click the new button here as well. And that also creates a new quote, and you'll see that created another tab here. So it's nice that every time you create a new transaction, it's creating a new tab for you without having to close the other one. And that about does it. I hope this has been helpful, and I do hope you have a great day.